Good morning, folks. This is Rick. I'm going to make a different video this time. Normally I make videos dealing something with shortwave equipment or a project I'm working on along that lines, but this time I'm going to be talking about Excel. The reason I'm doing this is there's a lot of folk on the forums and stuff that ask about finding stations and schedules and stuff like this, and so I'm putting this video together to address that concern. Yep, CC Cleaner's telling me I've got some garbage files on here in my trash bin. I know that. So on Yahoo Groups, you'll find one about shortwave schedules, shortwave broadcast schedules. And you join the group, you get on their mailing list, you get an email that says the schedule has been updated. And you dance through the hoops to get to where the schedule is, and you copy it onto your desktop. At least that's what I do. Right here I copy it, it's an Excel file, and I go from there. Now, not everybody has Excel on their laptop or their computer, but most of these systems these days come with Microsoft Starter, which has Word and Starter Excel. So I'm going to open this in that way with Excel Starter instead of Excel. So here it is. I changed the name of it and I put a date. So this is telling me that on December the 18th I downloaded this file. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. My laptop is extremely old, and so this is going to take a moment to open, and we will go from there. Come on, come on. Any day now. Any day. Any day. Doo-dah, doo-dah. It's trying. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're almost there. And so once this thing opens, I'll show you how to get a little bit more out of Excel, and how to use one of its features in particular. Come on, come on. Any day now, any day, any day. My Secret Santa, besides getting me that military spec shortwave radio, which I've always wanted, you know, like a Harris 590 or any of those other top brands, Tech 340. A new laptop would be nice, but not anything with an Intel processor in it, or that runs PC based, which pretty much says where I want to go along that lines. Come on, anytime. Okay, here we go. It finally opened. So you see right here, it opened in protected view. So what we want to do is enable editing. So enable editing, and it's going to ask us to confirm it. Okay, there we go. Now we can play with this thing almost like it's normal Excel. So when this page comes up, this shows you when the various files were updated and the dates and stuff like that. What we're going to be concerned with is the two tabs down here that says combined in English. This is all the broadcasts on in English, and this is all the broadcasts in every language, and that's what we want to look at. Now I'm going to step away from this for a minute and make sure I got everything showing up on the screen. Yeah, everything's showing up this time. So your columns are information about the stations, and your rows are the stations themselves. So you got frequency, the mode, the name of the station, time, whether it's on or not, and so on across, the site it's from, the target. We'll look at some of these. So first thing I'm going to do is show you this column right here. This says whether the station is on or not. And so we can scroll down through here. Oh, look at all the pretty colors of the spreadsheets. And so if you're looking for a particular station, whether it's on or not, this can be cumbersome. So, but what we can do is, my granddaughter just came in here. Nope, out.
What is that?
Mine. That's what that is. Mine. Thank you. Bye.
Hey, with the Woody.
Take Woody. Slight interruption. So we want to look at this column right here for on. So we're going to go sort right here. See, it says A to Z, and that's a funnel. That's a symbol for a funnel. And we're going to go right here to filter. And if you notice, we get this little drop down box now. We're going to go here and we're going to deselect all, and we're going to go on and hit OK. And as you can see, now all we have is a listing of all the stations that are on. All the stations that are not on are not shown because we have filtered them out. So, hey, that was pretty cool. So let's do one more. Let's go for language, because and we're going to back to the home page. Filter. Come on. Filter. There we go. Language. So let's unselect all of them. Start right there, and you can type a language in right here. So I just put CH in there to get me right here, because China seems to always be on. And so right now that would be the only Cantonese Chinese language station being broadcast, but you can see right now they're not on. Well, now that leaves us an interesting question here. Oh, by the way, at any time you can do a Control Z at the same time and undo whatever you've done to your recent change to your spreadsheet. Now watch this. This is where the power of Excel comes in. Select the whole spreadsheet. Go back in here and go filter. Come on, anytime. I told you this is an old. There we go. And now we have all of them right there selected. So let's go up here and look at unselect and go on now. Let's go on. We'll say that one's okay. So here's everything that's on, and we want to know target. Unselect all. These numbers right here are the broadcast areas. So let's just say, for grins and giggles, in areas 10 through 16. So here they are. These are the stations that are on right now, broadcasting there. Come back up, or we can go language. We did language earlier. Target country. Unselect all of them. Let's see what USA, and we'll select the Vatican just to show you can do a double filter. So here's everything on now that's targeted to USA or the Vatican. And so now you can filter down through this to find either what you're hearing or what you want to hear, where to go look For instance, Control Z always gets you out of everything. If you only want to find time signals, where are all these time signals? So we'll come down here and come on. There we go. Time signals. Where are all the time signals? Here's all the time signals that are on right now. And if we scroll back over, here's the frequencies that are on and their mode. And here's all your time signals. That's one way to go check propagation, is go see if you can hear the time signals. I hope this helps you get a little more out of what you're doing. And little power of Excel. It's all right here with what I do in this sort filter. When you're done, you just close it out. I don't save my changes. That way I keep my original spreadsheet intact. Of course, if I corrupt it anyway, I can always go back online into the Yahoo groups and download the newest version of that. And I'm sure there's plenty of new versions out, considering the version we just looked at is 12 days old. So that's how I use an Excel spreadsheet in conjunction with my shortwave listening to just get a little more out of it and have some fun. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it is useful to you. Thanks for watching. And sorry for the interruption of my granddaughter.